We're back to take a look at the Children with Hedgehog family. Let's see what it's all about. Hey Playmo pals, thanks for tuning in today. We are taking a look at the Playmobil My Life set number 71512. Again, this is the Children with Hedgehog family. So, as the name suggests, we do get two child clickies included in this set. We've got an African-American boy in the background, and then in the foreground we have a Caucasian girl. Our clicky children appear to be either in a park, maybe a backyard forest or wooded area behind this house, in the background there, and they're caring for two hedgehogs that are living, I guess, under this brown pile of leaves. One thing that's new about the packaging cover is the recycling symbol here. It is just advertising Playmobil's effort to help the environment and use recycled goods for their packaging and even some of their plastic. The other side of the box, and I apologize for the lack of evenness here, but it just talks about the 80% recycled and bio-based materials that are used in Playmobil packaging now. Here's the top, here's the bottom. The backside shows some more legal information, recycling information, and also displays all of our pieces photographed individually. That's it for the box details, guys. Let's get this thing cracked open and see what's inside. First, let's take a look at our clickies. Now, guys, check this out. Do you see what I see? We have two different heights of kids. This one could be the teenager size. If that's the case, this would be my first teenage clicky in my collection. Woohoo! Our girl clicky has short blonde hair. She wears a pink top with white sleeves and a light, very pale green hoodie. And she has matching green shorts and neon yellow shoes. The shirt also has a little pink heart inside of a yellow circle. Our boy clicky is wearing a denim overall set. He's got a top and bottom there. He's wearing tan colored shoes, and he's got a yellow shirt underneath the overall top. He also comes with a hat, which we're going to go ahead and put on right now. This is one of the extra pieces that comes with our set, and it fits nicely right on his head. Here's the pile of leaves. This will be my first time getting a orange set of leaves. I think it'll be kind of cool to put this on one of the trees for an autumn photo. We get a separate set of stickers here. Looks like we've got some specialized hedgehog materials, maybe first aid here, maybe some food there, and this looks like it could be water, but we're gonna see soon. The next accessory to come with our set is the wagon. It is orange and comes with green wheels. That did not click. We've got this little tab here. This is one of the pieces. It's very small, so you got to be kind of careful. So do it on the bottom if you can get it into the hole right. Huh, and I did finally. Here's the little handle. And then here's the extra set of wheels. They're not extra, it's the second set of wheels. So that one clicked. That made the noise that I would expect it to. Very nice. Next we have this little container. This should be the medicine or possibly the food. We're not 100% certain yet. And it comes with this little coral colored or pink-ish colored lid. And there we go. Then we have a little snack bag here. Here's the water bowl. So now we know what that sticker's for. And then here we have a bottle. This, I'm assuming, is water, bottled water. And then the stars of our show are the hedgehogs. We've got one adult hedgehog, and I gotta say, this is a very unique texture and feel. It feels a bit rubbery, and it might be. but there's not enough here for me to tell 100%, but I actually do think it's a rubbery material on top of the plastic, which is very nice. And then the little hedgehog, it looks like a head with hair, a bodiless head. And they are the creepiest hedgehogs ever because they have no colored eyes. And I really like the clickies that came with the set. I do like the fact that this one is taller than the rest, so it does add a little bit of variety in height for our clickies. So one little gripe, we have these child clickies and we have the bottle, and they do not, where did it go? They do not hold, see, look at that. Well, I can't say they because he holds it. So maybe. Alright, so maybe he doesn't hold the bottle. So today we've got tweezers to make this a little easier on us. Just gently push it in there, just to seal it all up. And I can see it, and then dab it in there, dab your finger in there, just for that extra bit of pressure. And that looks good. And there we go. The stickers up here, looks like it is hedgehog medicine. They have their own medicine. And you'll notice too that the sticker itself is not like perfectly square or rectangular actually, but because it wraps around the cylindrical bottle here, it has a little bit of curvature, so that'll help with maintaining the overall consistency of the sticker going across the entire bottle here, or jar, whatever you want to call it. And the stickers are long, so they do overlap, and that's normal. Hopefully that stays. But here we go. There's the first aid sign, and then here's our little animals. Whoops, really cute. And then finally we have our hedgehog food sticker. My wife loves this very much because she is really into daisies. And obviously we have daisy stickers here. And I might need the tweezer again to get this off here. Nope, I got it. So naturally we're going to put the hedgehog here right in the middle. That looks about even, right? You think so? I think so. Alright, not perfect, but I just want to get it on there. And here we go. Dun dun dun. Overall, it's not a bad set. It does lose a few points because of the clicky's inability to hold the bottle, but at the same time, for the most part, it's a pretty fun set. I do like the orange leaves here. I think that'll look really cool on the trees for maybe an autumn scene. But I do like the clickies a lot. These are probably two of my more interesting looking clicky children. I do like the teenager one where she's just a little bit, but she is a little taller than the other one, but it's enough to tell a difference, and that's cool. It's just a nice variety of heights now for the clickies, and that's great. I wish they would make some like basketball players that were a little bit taller, and just random figures that were maybe a little taller than the typical the height that we get for our Playmobil clicky. And that there does conclude our unboxing and review of the Children with Hedgehog family. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. And don't forget, you can follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. We do have more on the way, guys, including some sets, so stay tuned for that. It's coming up. I just don't know when. With my schedule, it's been kind of crazy. But either way, I do appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you again very soon. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.